So this was the general introduction about machine learning. If you wish to learn in detail about ML, we have an advanced ML course available. This advanced course will cover all the algorithms and case studies we have mentioned in the diagram. That is multiple, polynomial, decision tree, KNN, SVM, random forest, hierarchical, DBScan. Case studies include bluff detector, customer review, span engine, customer segmentation, image recognition engine. And it also includes real world projects like sentiment analysis, creating a movie recommendation system similar to the one used in Netflix, a spam classifier engine, and chatbots. Not just the ML, our training will also cover introduction of deep learning, NLP, and artificial neural networks. The duration of the course is around 18 to 20 days, and right now we are running a discount on the advanced course, and the offer would be available on a first come first serve basis. So hurry up, visit our Trio Arts website. The link will be in the description box below.